The new Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra 5G 2022, release date, price, specs, and news. Today we are going to share a new upcoming smartphone of the Samsung brand, whose name is Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra 5G 2023. Please like this video if you are a Samsung phone lover. Let me know in the comments section what you are looking out for in this new flagship. And if you haven't subscribed already, then hit subscribe button now, so you don't miss a thing in the future. Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra 5G 2022. For the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra 5G 2022 specs. Firstly, the display. The Samsung upcoming smartphone Galaxy S23 Ultra 5G 2022 comes with a 6.9 inches dynamic AMOLED 4X full touchscreen display, which protected by Corning Gorilla Glass Victus Plus. Good news for the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra 5G 2022 mobile lovers. This mobile used display resolutions of 1440 by 3200 pixels. In the display section, this mobile also used always on display, which is very helpful for an active user. On the camera section, Samsung added a quad 144MP primary lens plus 24MP ultra-wide lens plus 16MP wide sensor plus 5MP depth sensor as back camera. For selfie, it has a 64MP camera. Regular camera features like Zeiss optics, LED flash, panorama, HDR are added. Now, you can easily pick a picture or selfie by using front cameras. The battery is a very important part of a good smartphone. So, the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra 5G 2022 used a 5500 mAh Li polymer type non-removable battery for its long-time service. After charging one time, you don't need to charge at least 36 hours. The fast battery charging is a common special feature for a flagship device. So, this phone included 65 watts quick battery charging features. Nowadays, when a customer wants to buy a new smartphone, they are fast checking the memory capacity of the phone. The memory means RAM, ROM, internal storage and an extra micro SD card. The Samsung upcoming phone Galaxy S23 Ultra 5G 2022 comes with 12/16 of a GB RAM and two variants, 256 GB and 512 GB ROM. Customers can easily exacerbate internal storage by using a micro SD card up to 1 TB. On the operating system section, this smartphone added Android 13, which is automatically upgraded to Android 14. The powerful Qualcomm Snapdragon 898 Plus 5G mobile platform makes this smartphone very fast. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe and comment the country you are watching from. See you in my next video.